So I'm out here doing repairing this trailer. This is a 20-ton trailer here. It's a four tires on each side, so eight rims, 2 axles. It's got air brakes in it, made for dump trucks and made for big trucks that have air systems and for air brakes. But we pulled this trailer a whole bunch of times with F-250s, F-350s, dualies and stuff. So it's a really good trailer for the company. But I'm out here just working on it now, replacing some of these cross member beams here that got wore out and busted through. So that's what I'm doing now. You can see here the wood rotted out and then it ended up snapping. When we had a piece of equipment on here, it bent everything down. So I'm just gonna add some new beams across here. So I'm at this point now. I got this really bad one, because there's like 4 or 5 bad ones, but this really bad cross member here, I just cut it out completely, and I'm gonna leave the rest of them because they're not hanging down too low. And that one was hanging down really far. And so what I did to bend this back out as best I could, because it was like really far in, but now it's pretty straight. I mean, straight enough to be a work trailer. But I did that by using this jack here and this bar. So I moved it over about this far, a couple inches, and then I'm putting this beam in. Now I just cleaned it up down here where I'm just gonna weld up right along the frame here. And this trailer's got a lot of surface rust, but the I-beams are huge and they're still good. I mean, the trailer's solid besides this part here. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. I'm gonna go ahead and weld everything up now, and then I'm gonna put one here, replace one here, and this one's good. And that should be it. Now I'm gonna put the wood back down. So this is the tools I've used so far. This grinder, I got 2 of them, one with the cutting blade on it, one for sanding down before I weld. I'm using a stick welder here with the E6011s. It's probably not how you pronounce that. E6011, maybe. The 1/8 sticks. I chose these because it's just good for steel with moderate surface and contaminants like rusty and painted surfaces. So that's why I chose these ones. And it's set for 60 to 120. So I got my stick welder here. I'm gonna just set it in between like 90, maybe a little bit more. See how that does. I don't want to cut through too far, or I don't want to be not getting enough penetration with the sticks. So I'll probably adjust that after a little bit of testing. But yeah, so this trailer makes it easy for replacing the wood, like you can see on this side. You basically just lay the pieces of wood down, and either end gets held with my knees. So eventually when I put the wood back, I'm just going to push this back down and just weld right across. So that's where I'm at now. Update, I got them welded in there, put 3 of them in, 2 of the I-beams. Welded like that. And yeah, so now I'm ready just to lay the wood back in. And this one was already solid here, so I skipped that one, did this one, did this one, did this one, and then this one's good. So this trailer fixed up. It holds 6 pallets of sod. I Actually, you can do 8 pallets a side. I mean, four on each side, all the way down.